In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet to track tasks. We'll walk through the key places you'll click and what to update so your task list stays clear and current. Start on the home page in Smartsheet. If you've just signed in, you're already there. If not, use the home icon in the left panel to return. Home is your launching pad for everything you'll manage. From here, you can start a new project, program, or process. Choose the option that best matches your work. A project is great for a defined set of tasks. A program groups related projects, and a process is ideal for ongoing, repeatable work. Smartsheet offers helpful templates, so pick one that aligns with how your team operates. If you prefer not to start from scratch, look at the suggested area. You'll see items Smartsheet thinks you'll need based on recent activity and templates you've used. Opening something suggested can save setup time and keep your structure consistent. To browse what already exists, open all workspaces. A workspace is simply a container that holds sheets, reports, and dashboards for a team or initiative. Viewing all workspaces gives you a full picture of everything you can access. When the list is long, narrow it down with filter. Use filter options to hone in on ownership, recent changes, or other attributes available in your view. This makes it faster to find the right place to work. You can also search directly. Type a keyword from the sheet or workspace name and let the search results surface the exact item you need. Consistent naming conventions make this step even more effective. Once you see the sheet you're after, click it to open. You'll land in a familiar grid or card view depending on the template. This is where you'll keep your task details up to date. Edit status to reflect where the task stands, such as not started, in progress, or complete. Update priority to indicate urgency or impact using the scale your team recognizes. Adjust percent, complete to quantify progress, be realistic and keep increments consistent so charts and rollups stay meaningful. Add or revise, notes if context has changed. Use notes to capture decisions, blockers, links to specs, or next steps. Keep them concise but informative so anyone scanning the row understands what's happening. That's it. By navigating home, using suggested in all workspaces, applying filter or search, opening the right sheet, and updating status, priority, percent, and notes, you'll maintain a reliable task tracker your team can trust.